Over the years, I've watched dozens of sales call breakdowns where people dissect every single step: discovery, objection, close, rebuttals. And while those frameworks are useful for training teams, personally I found that they make me sound too robotic when I'm actually on the call. I've gotten way better results when I approach these calls like I'm just having a real human conversation. You'll still see that I naturally hit the core sales principles, but I don't force a rigid sequence. My main goal is simple: extract information, understand their business on a deeper level, talk to their pain points, and clearly show why working with us solves the problem without drowning them in complexities. This call you're about to watch is with a roofing company owner, and you'll see exactly how I handle it. Before we jump into the call, let me show you the platform that lets me collect payments globally, get paid like a local, and move money without losing profit on unnecessary fees.
When you're running a global business, you want to look global, operate global, but still pay or get paid like a local without losing money to FX fees or delays. The truth is, traditional banks aren't built for modern cross-border businesses. You end up with unnecessary currency conversions, long delays, and high transaction costs, all of which slow you down. That's why I use Airwallex, an all-in-one global payments and finance platform that lets you manage money without borders. With Airwallex, I can collect, hold, convert, and spend multi-currencies from one account in a highly cost-effective and efficient way. I get local bank account details in 20 plus countries while accepting and holding more than 20 currencies, so I can get paid like a local business, avoid forced currency conversions, and save 3 to 5% fees from conversions. I can accept payments from customers around the world through 160 plus local payment methods and settle in the same currency they pay me. Again, no more unnecessary exchanges. It's easy to start with no-code payment links, Shopify or WooCommerce plugins, or a simple checkout for your site. I also use Airwallex to pay overseas suppliers or creators in 120 plus countries. The transfers are free via its local network and often arrive within the same day, if not instantly. And I can issue virtual or physical cards for my business and employees with built-in spend controls and expense management. It's fast, compliant with global standards, and helps me manage everything from one platform, so I can focus on growing and not on financial admin. If you're scaling your business globally, check out Airwallex, your business without borders. This content is for informational purposes only, not financial advice. Airwallex is not a bank.
Hello?
Hello? Yes.
What's up, brother?
How are you, man? Sorry, the schedules didn't work yesterday, but today finally.
Yes, no, I was having lunch just now, but yes, already.
Oh, sorry, but
No, there's no problem.
anyway, yeah, it would been, the call is going to be quick. It was just a rather, so as I understand, you have a company and you are involved in roofing and also rain gutters, right?
Yes, correct, like that.
How long have you had your business?
8 years.
8 years. Okay, wow.
8 years, but as I understand it, that system of handing out cards will become obsolete. If it is not already, in the coming months, years, they will no longer give out cards. So we have to stay at the forefront, and that's why I'm reaching out to you, because I saw something there on social media.
Yes, and you're right, yes. Nowadays, most clients come through social media, through Facebook, through Google, in various ways. But do you still have a website like that for your business? No, just like a website, for example, like andyroofing.com or something like that. No, not right now. Right now, how is it? How do you get most of your clients?
By recommendation, I go out more to look for us.
Okay.
I personally go out with a guy, and he brings advertising.
Okay. Do you have a Facebook page?
From the company? No. My personal one, yes.
Okay. And does your business do you have a page? Okay. And do you also have on Google? Like, have you registered with Google? Like, if they search, not on Google, right?
No.
Okay. Only on Facebook. Oh, not that either. Perfect. Perfect. Let me fix it here. And right now, in your business, I know it all depends on how many clients you have at the moment, but on average, could you give me an idea of how many clients you can service per month? Or
Put about 60 clients a month.
when it comes to gutters, when it comes to roofing, one daily. One daily, okay. And for gutters, how much did you say?
2 daily.
2 daily. The first step would be that basically create a business page for Facebook and also register your business on Google. That way your business would appear every time someone searches for that type of service in your area. So for example, if they are searching for roofing near me in your area, the goal would be for your business to appear in those searches. That way you can get traffic organically. So it's people who are already looking for that type of service without having to pay for ads or anything like that. And the next thing would be to have a page like andyroofing.com. When someone searches on Facebook and finds your business page, there will be the link to your site. There on your website, the important thing is that it looks professional and also that there are descriptions of the services you offer, photos, comments from clients you have worked with before. For example, if I am interested but want to see if you do good work, I want to see what other people who have worked with you say, I will go to your site and look for all that information. And then once I feel more confident in their work, that's when I will contact them. On the site, the important thing is to make it easy for the client to contact them. There should be a form on the main page where one enters their contact information, like the phone number, email, a description of the service they want. As soon as someone enters the information, you will receive a notification directly that someone is interested. This is the information of this client, and then right away you can send them a message, you can send them an email, or you can call them right away to give them an estimate, to agree on what day you can go see the project. The following and the service I recommend is our Facebook ad system. What Facebook does is we enter information about people who might be interested in your type of business. We can set the ads to only appear to people who are homeowners. We would pay for Facebook to show it to potential customers. With the system and settings, the price per customer goes down. With Facebook ads, you also enter the area where you want to get customers. For example, if you tell me I am willing to do projects up to 150 miles from where I am, then already
Up to 1 hour maximum.
up to 1 hour. Perfect.
And what is it that you need to get started?
To begin,
That we close the deal, because I am very interested.
let me basically, I am going to give you here the price of the packages.
Yo no soy, como le dicen, codo, tacaño, ¿sí entiendes? Right?
Yes.
Well, if you match me and guarantee that I will get work with you, I will take the package. And apart from the package, I don't know if I have also worked with you like this, but for each house, I would give you a small commission for.
So that apart from what you are going to charge me, I have given you an extra commission personal for you, so that you, if you are happy, will find me more work.
Obviously, yes, yes, yes. Well, no, yes, really. We usually don't tend to work that way, but me, I'm not against it, and for me, definitely, I'm in agreement, and I'm willing to work.
That's how I would see it, like that type of investment.
Perfect. Yeah, it sounds good to me, Andy, and I am ready to start whenever you tell me.
I am not afraid of investment, nor do I love money, but I see it as a tool and money needs to be put to work. As you say, there is no, it's very usual that between commission, I personally, so as owner and CEO of the company, I reiterate, I offer you a commission apart from the charges you have from packages, personal for you to keep you happy, and so that you give me a lot of work to do, that you take care of the. I would call it like a stake in part of the company.
Definitely, we are in touch.
Okay, brother, we are in touch. I'll call you at 5.
Perfect. I'll wait for you there. Thank you.
So this was the call with the roofing company guy. 8 months later, we're still working with them. We've done a website, Facebook page, Instagram page. We registered the business on Google. So now every time somebody is searching roofing companies near me, their business appears at the top. They had nothing, no social media presence, and we have now taken their Facebook page to about 1,500 followers. And this is a roofing company, so it's kind of hard to say, like with restaurants or any other type of business, you can kind of add personality to it. Roofing is kind of like, why would people want to follow a roofing company Facebook page? Like, I personally don't follow any, but I had to look at it and be creative to a different extent. But we have definitely organically gained 1,500 followers for that Facebook page. They're currently getting anywhere between 25 and 30 qualified leads per week, and they're closing about 15 to 20 on average per week. And that's just given their current ad spend budget. Obviously, if they increase their ad spend budget, that number can go up. It's always in the beginning when I'm talking to a new business that I'm confident in my ability to get them results, but there's always different obstacles that you run into, such as like, what's their competition, what's their current reputation, what's the quality of the service or products that they provide. Obviously, if the business is giving bad service, there's only so much that good marketing can do. There's no point in generating hundreds of leads if they're just price shopping and wasting your time. Every post and every ad is structured to qualify people first, so the leads that do come through are ready, serious, and actually worth their time. If you found value in this breakdown, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. We are on the road to 100K subscribers on this channel. We appreciate every bit of support. It means the world to us. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.